TOEFL iBT consists of 4 modules of English language, and it is a fully computerized based test. So digital version of TOEFL is now available, and a lot of material is also there online, as well as the material what we have at Sowrya. We are using best of materials that is available over here. We use only ETS approved material at Sowrya. This is very important for you. Though it is little costly, but at Sowrya we prefer the best material so that our students can get familiar with the exam. This is the book that is officially endorsed by ETS. So we are using this material for teaching you in the class. It will make students well equipped for dealing with complexity of an exam like TOEFL. It is an international exam that requires a lot of practice and mock tests. While you're dealing with an exam like this, you should know exactly how the exam is all about. Now, starting with the reading module will have 35 minutes of time. Basically, you will get 2 passages, and each passage will have 10 questions. So time management is very important. You will not get more than 1.5 minutes. So there are a lot of techniques that we need to show to the students how you are going to go through these passages. What are the strategies for finding answers quickly with great accuracy? Over here, skimming and scanning is a technique that is universally employed. But apart from that, is there any other method? Yes, there are a lot of methods that will help you to understand the passage and get the idea of the main passage, the main point what they are trying to portray. Over here, students read the question and then they read the passage. Is that the right approach? That is where things can go wrong. You need to understand yourself. If it works for you, then it's fine. But over here, what happens is that if you have an idea what is the passage about, then when you look at the questions, you can answer most of the questions without reading the passage second time. That's the point. You need to have the gist of the passage, getting the main idea of the passage, knowing the soul. Now, coming to your listening aspect, listening will again have 36 minutes, almost the same time like reading. Here, you will have 3 lectures and 2 conversations. Each lecture will have 4 to 5 questions. These are into separate parts. So a lecture will be played. You should listen to the lecture, take down the notes, running notes what you can, and then you need to answer the multiple choice questions that will be presented to you. Same thing will happen with your conversations. You will be getting conversations, that is 1 and 2. Each conversation will have 4 to 5 questions that will be followed up. So according to the conversation, what you are hearing on the tape, you should correlate the information of the question, then select the right answer. Yes, there are some strategies in writing. The way you take notes is very important. The way you listen and what things to look out for. That is what makes our classes very important. We will be helping you at every step of learning as far as listening concerns. First of all, we will have concerns to address, especially for the people who don't understand different kinds of accent. So for them, we will be having special sessions helping them to come to a level where they would be able to respond to a lecture or a conversation that is being played. Coming to speaking part, over here you have 16 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, only 16 minutes, and you will be having 4 tasks to deal with. This is expressing your opinion and your integrated speaking. So after hearing a lecture, you need to give your opinion about it. What are we going to teach you? We will tell you how to express an opinion in that short duration of time. That is where the trick lies. If you're able to get the right track of your speaking and present the main points, that is when you can expect the full score. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for the students to expect full scoring into the subject. Now, the last aspect, writing, 29 minutes, almost half an hour. That is what you will be having. And over here, there are 2 tasks that you are going to deal with. The task 1 is known as integrated writing. Then there will be an academic discussions. Integrated writing is again a little complicated for the students. So you need a lot of help from your trainer, and you need to understand how you're going to write it and looking at it and using the time appropriately, knowing what to take into account and what not. And then having an academic discussion is also not everyone's cup of tea. So you need to be well versed with the format and the template that you're going to follow. Thank you.